morning everyone. Once again, welcome in grade 8, subject Access, and the chapter is 9, the freedom movement of 1857 CE. We have completed till chapter number 8. This is the last chapter of first term. So we'll see the history chapter, the freedom movement of 1857. Now, nationalism emerged in India due to not only the arrival of the Europeans but also their behavior and policies. If you know, I have explained about the nationalism. Nationalism we have learned in the previous chapter, and the nationalism की पढ़ाई हमें किसने करवाई थी? Like the people, those who were living over there when the British were ruling. So Britishers only have started to teaching them nationalism. उन्होंने ही इंडियन पीपल को नेशनलिज्म पढ़ना सिखाया. नेशनलिज्म मीन्स देशभक्ति, देश के बारे में जानना और देश के लिए कैसे कुछ आगे अच्छा करे उसके लिए जानना. तो यूथ उस टाइम लॉर्ड मैक्यूले ने जो इंट्रोड्यूस किया था टू वाइड स्प्रेड द इंग्लिश, टू लर्न मैनी पीपल, so that nationalism also the subject those Britishers have introduced. So nationalism emerged in India due to not only the arrival of the Europeans. वो Europeans arrive हुए तभी ही वो start नहीं हो गया था, but उनके behavior से, the behavior what Britishers were having on the Indians and their policies, many reforms, many policies they have introduced. As you are aware, Lord Cornwallis, Lord William Bentinck, they have started many of the policies to follow for Indians, which can be followed by the Indians. So, due to the behavior, due to the policies, they started emerge the nationalism in India. As the nationalism started, so there are the many reasons. किसकी वजह से nationalism start हुआ? So there are the many reasons we will discuss now. The reasons are for the outbreak of the revolt of 1857 CE. Now the first reason is to outbreak the revolt. Means उन्होंने बगावत करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Indian people, revolt means बगावत means revenge ही लेना एक तरीके का. So now they have outbreak means वो तंग आ चुके थे. They got fed up by the reforms, by the policies and all. So these are the reasons: social and religious reasons, economic reasons, political reason, military reason and immediate reason. That's why they started nationalism in India. So now we'll see the first reasons of the outbreak of the revolt of 1857 CE. The main reason of this, the widespread dissatisfaction among the people in India due to the suppressive policies of the British adopted to spread their empire in India. सबसे पहले ये रीजन क्यों आया, उन्होंने बगावत करना क्यों स्टार्ट की? एज आई सेड, there was a widespread dissatisfaction among the peoples. Why? Because they have introduced many policies to them जो Indians के लिए totally new थी, but then also they have to adapt by force. So now we'll see what type of dissatisfaction they were. So the dissatisfactions are social and religious reason. अब social और religions को base करते हुए कौन से reasons है? If you are aware, in the last chapter I explained you the people, those who were following the Hinduism. So they felt that Britishers जो changes ला रहे हैं वो उनका धर्म जो है वो चेंज करके उनको क्रिश्चियनिटी बना देंगे. We have heard this line in the last chapter. So they were having that feeling, वो insecure थे कि वो हमारा धर्म चेंज करवा देंगे. So that comes in the social and religious relation. The policy of social reforms by the company made feel people insecure and suspicious. They felt that government was trying to convert them into the Christianity, as I explained you, and destroy the Indian culture and religion forever. People believed that the Indian social system were deliberately undermined in the railways, jails and military. As I previously we have learned that we have seen that people are believe that Indian की जो railways है, jails है, military जो इन सब में काम अच्छा चल रहा है, they go deliberately undermine. A large section of our society was orthodox at that time, and thus the new changes arose dissatisfaction among them. There one line was also there. The people who belongs to the ortho caste, they felt bad when many reforms or many policies came जो अडॉप्ट करनी थी इंडियंस को. तो एट द टाइम देयर वर मेनी ऑर्थोडॉक्स पीपल जिनको बहुत इनसिक्योरिटी फील हो रही थी कि व्हाई वी शुड एक्सेप्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स न्यू पॉलिसीज. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ रिजल्ट. As a result, many people joined this freedom movement to sustain their social religious structure. तो ये एक बड़ा रीजन है किस के ये जो लोग डिससैटिस्फैक्शन थे रिलीजियस को लेके, that's why they joined the freedom movement. Now the economic region. What is the economic region? The aim of the British was to bring prosperity to England at the cost of India. अब ब्रिटिशर्स का एम क्या था? इंडिया की जो भी चीजें हैं उसी कॉस्ट पे वो सब इंग्लैंड पे जाए. यू आर अवेयर, लाइक क्लोथ दे वर सप्लाइंग फ्रॉम हियर टू यूरोपियन कंट्रीज एंड देयर वर नो टैक्स. बट इफ वी इंडियन पीपल व्हेन वी आर आस्किंग फॉर द मटेरियल, क्लोथ मटेरियल, एंड वी आर परचेसिंग, तो वी हैव टू पे द टैक्स. As a result, most of the section of Indian society become impoverished. The landlords and peasants, having lost their lands, participated in the revolt. Not only in the textile, even as you are aware that Britishers have given the duty to the landlords to collect the revenue. So many of the peasants, जो farmers थे, जो agriculture करते हैं, they have lost their land, field due to pay because they have to pay the टैक्स. उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा टैक्स पे करनी पड़ती थी. इस वजह से उनके जो लैंड थे वो सारे ब्रिटिशर्स ने ले लिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई पीपल दे जॉइन इन द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट ऑफ 1857. नाउ विल सी द पॉलिटिकल रीजन. द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी acquired the Diwani rights. What are the Diwani rights? To collect the revenue. Okay. When the battle of Buxar was going on, after that battle, the king was ruling over there. They have given, means by forcefully he has given this right to Britishers to collect the land and revenue, जिसकी वजह से उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली जो उनका इनकम, ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का जो इनकम है वो और इंक्रीज हो गया. सो द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी acquired the Diwani rights as a result of their victory in the Battle of Buxar in 1764. As he won in the Battle of Buxar, that's why the king who was ruling over there, I think Shah Alam, he has given all the rights to the Britishers. This was followed by an aggressive policy of expansion with the help of subsidiary alliance. ये possible कब हुआ? Because at that time Britishers have introduced a subsidiary alliance. That's why the Battle of Buxar fought at that time. Doctrines of lapse, policy of annexation and mere diplomacy. Many policies they have introduced at that time. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Raja Kuwar Singh of Bihar, who were among the few of the victims of these policies. So these are the Queen and Raja, means Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and the Raja Kuwar Singh of Bihar. These two people are the victim, means ये उनके साथ उस टाइम हो चुका था. They have to accept these policies, so they are the victims of these policies and they joined the revolt to regain their territories. Landlords and peasants who had lost their lands too joined the revolt. So Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Raja Kuwar Singh of Bihar, they also joined the revolt of the freedom movement, and the people, farmers who have lost their land or fields, they also have joined the freedom movement of 1857. Now we'll see the military region. The number of British officers and the soldiers was very less in the vast country like India. British officers and soldiers, so said, they were very less. As India is a very vast country, जिस हिसाब से इंडिया बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है, उनके कंपेयर में British officers and soldiers were very less. The ratio of Indian soldier to the British soldiers was approximately 6:1. In the military, Indian soldiers were more than compared to the British soldier. The ratio is 6:1. In the military, the higher posts in the military were reserved for the British. अब हायर पोस्ट जो होती थी इट वॉज रिजर्व, मीन्स वो ब्रिटिशर्स के लिए ही रखी जाती थी. टू इंडियंस दे वर नॉट गिविंग द हायर पोस्ट इन द मिलिट्री. The opportunity of promotion was very limited for the Indian soldiers. There was a big difference between the salary of an Indian soldier and a British soldier. Though Indian soldiers were compared to more than the Britishers, but the higher post was reserved for the Britishers only, and there is a vast comparison between Indian soldier and the British soldiers. So, the Indian foot soldiers received 7 rupees while the British soldier received 150 rupees per month. Indian soldier को उस टाइम की सैलरी मिलती थी 7 rupees, but for the Britishers they received 150 rupees per month. So, see the vast difference between them. The British soldiers considered the Indian soldier to be low and insignificant. So, the Britishers over there, what they were thinking that वो ऐसा सोचते थे कि इंडियन पीपल आर वेरी लो कंपेयर टू द ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स, और वो उनको इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते थे. दे वर थिंकिंग दैट उनकी जो सोच है और उनका जो काम करने का तरीका है इट्स वेरी लो कंपेयर टू द ब्रिटिशर्स. एज पर द रिलीजियस रिस्ट्रिक्शन द इंडियन सोल्जर्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू क्रॉस द सी और एल्स द पर्सन वुड बी ट्रीटेड एज द आउटकास्ट. नाउ एज पर द रिलीजियस, now what Britishers they were having restrictions like if the Indian people have crossed the sea, अगर वो sea को cross करते हैं so they will be outcasted, means उनको outpost ना announce किया जाएगा कि ये outer caste का है, so don't allow to enter. So despite this custom the Indian soldiers were compelled to cross the sea in order to fight battles for the British. तो ये custom हटाने के लिए Indian people started fight, means started to have the battle ताकि ये रूल जो है वो निकल जाए. Thus like other Indians the soldiers too felt that their religion was at stake. जैसे other Indians को लगा वैसे soldiers को भी ऐसा लगा कि हमारा religion जो है वो हटा रहे हैं. So the soldiers being a part of an Indian society shared the same sentiments of grief, suspicion and anger as others did. अब जैसे Indians सफर कर रहे थे, जो अदर पीपल नॉर्मल पीपल दे वर सफरिंग, दैट सेम थिंग्स इंडियन सोल्जर्स वर सफरिंग व्हिच वाज देयर इन द अंडर द ब्रिटिश. तो उन्होंने भी वही पूरा पेन, एंगर, एंजाइटी, सस्पिशन वो सब ग्रिफ किया, एज वो सब फील किया एज द इंडियन नॉर्मल पीपल दे फेल्ट. So that's why they also joined the freedom movement of 1857 CE. Now the immediate reasons. There were various reasons for rising anger and discontentment among the people towards the British rule. बहुत ज़्यादा reasons हैं कि क्यों ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ हमें बहुत सारा गुस्सा है and why we are disappointed. So in January 1857, a new rifle, Enfield rifle was introduced in the Indian Army. Indian Army में एक नई राइफल का इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था जिसका नेम है Enfield rifle. So the cartridge of this rifle had to be beaten off before being used. अब जो राइफल है वो obviously उसको चलानी तो पड़ेगी before used and before to use anyone. So this cartridge was greased with the fat of cow and pig. तो ये cartridge जो है it was greased, वो किससे greased की जाती थी? Fat of the cow and dog, उनके मांस से. So for the Hindus the beef and for the Muslims the pork was prohibited by their religion. Hindus और मुस्लिम्स के लिए जो बीफ होता है, जो मांस होता है, उसके लिए उनके रिलीजन में, हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम के रिलीजन में वो उनके खिलाफ था कि हम उनका वो यूज करें. The response to their complaints in the same regards was not satisfactory. Hence they felt that British were deliberately trying to disanctify their religion. So now what the people thought कि ये हमें जानबूझ के again and again they उनको वो ऐसा हमें फील करवा रहे हैं कि लाइक वो हमारे रिलीजन को डेलिबरेटली डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहते हैं. द रिस्पॉन्स to their complaints in the same regards they were not satisfactory. That's why Indian those who were ruling those who were living over there, so they were not satisfied with the decisions of Britishers. Hence the 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of the Carthage. So in 19th century, battalion of Barakpur, he was the first to refuse the use of the Carthage. उन्होंने Carthage use करने के लिए मना कर दिया था. So as a result, the entire battalion was disband. So जो पूरा battalion था वो disband हो गया, means उसे ban कर दिया गया. So now we'll see the planning of the revolt and the Mangal Pandit. I hope you all have understand the all reasons कि हमने क्यों बगावत करना स्टार्ट की. So go through with this video properly, go through the textbook, whatever the points I have explained you, go through once. Till that time, take care of yourself, stay healthy. Whatever the doubts you are having will solve in the live sessions. Thank you and good day.